Oh, I come into my street, my house, and to Patterson Street, and then they just pick up the wash and dryer from the perch. Let me just check my parking here. Yeah. The street clean are really good. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, people waiting, so I'm going to have to. Okay. Yeah.